Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is accessible and backed up. This prevents data loss. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can use a DB. Next, export or backup the call log to a CSV or use a full device backup. This gives you a recovery point. Install a capable file manager or confirm a DB shell access so you can reach the call log database. Once done, make sure you have a copy of the phone's build number and Android version for tool compatibility. You will now access the call log database and change the storage limit. This is the core step. Using a DB shell with SQLite 3, open the call log. DB in /data/data/com, Android, providers. Contact/databases, you may need root. Alternatively, pull the DB, edit locally with a SQLite editor, then push back and set correct permissions. Update the calls table or change the app's preferences key that enforces max entries. Make sure to incrementally test by adding calls. If you see corruption, revert to your backup. Finish by applying your changes and verifying they persist. A provider restart or full reboot forces the system to reload settings. Generate test calls and inspect the DB with SQLite 3 to confirm the new maximum is effective. If the change didn't take, check file ownership, permissions, and SE Linux mode. Improper permissions are the most common cause. As one key troubleshooting tip, if anything goes wrong, restore the backup immediately. Then repeat the steps, ensuring you ran commands as root or with appropriate DB privileges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.